In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to bold text in Microsoft Planner. If you use Microsoft Planner to manage tasks and communicate with your team, adding bold text can be a simple way to make important details stand out. It helps draw attention to deadlines, key updates, or any part of a message that you want others to notice right away. The process is quick, and once you know it, it becomes very easy to use as part of your everyday workflow. To get started, open Microsoft Planner and go to your plan board. This is the main area where your tasks are displayed, and it's where you'll be working from for this process. Make sure you're in the correct plan so you can access the task you want to update. Next, click on the task where you want to format your text. This will open the task details, giving you a closer view of the task information and the chat or conversation area connected to it. If you're collaborating with others, this is especially useful because you can format text directly in the task discussion instead of sending a separate message elsewhere. Once the task details are open, type your message in the task chat area. Go ahead and write the full message first, or at least type the words you already know you want to emphasize. Writing it out before formatting usually makes the process smoother, especially if you only want certain words or phrases to appear initialed rather than the entire message. After that, highlight the specific text you want to bold. You can do this by clicking and dragging your cursor over the words. Be careful to select exactly what you want formatted, since only the highlighted text will be affected by the shortcut. With the text selected, press Ctrl and B on your keyboard. That keyboard shortcut applies bold formatting to the highlighted text. If you're using it correctly, the selected portion of your message should now appear bold, making it more noticeable inside the task chat. This is a fast and practical formatting tip that can help keep communication clearer inside Planner. It's especially helpful when you want to emphasize action items, urgent notes, or short labels within a longer message. Just remember to select the text first before using the shortcut, otherwise the formatting may not apply the way you expect. And that's all it takes to bold text in Microsoft Planner. Once you've done it a couple of times, it becomes second nature and can make your task conversations much easier to scan and understand.